Hello, welcome back to our Wednesday morning coffee talk. We are the Loan Depot Ignite Girls. I'm Lisa Gustafson.
I'm Shelley Borman.
I'm Erica Benigni.
Welcome back. We're so glad you're here with us again. This week we have a great topic. It's very timely, renovation financing. So some of you have probably heard of it. Probably not a lot of you have actually done it, but it's a really great tool, especially as we head into this buying season and the market is still very tight. So I'm sure you've all had clients that you've looked and looked and looked for months, and you find the perfect house in the perfect neighborhood and you walk in and you see this. But what if you could help them turn that into this with simple financing, minimum down? What if they see this? Who's going to write an offer on that? That's tough, right? I mean, it's tough. Get the dishes out of the sink. But look what that house could be with just, some minor repairs. So renovation, it's a bigger topic. It's a different type of loan, but we're here to help. Loan Depot is actually the #1 lender for renovation in the country. So we know how to do this. We do it well. And we're excited to help you and your clients do it.
And so some of the objections that your clients may have when they go into a house that looks like those previous pictures is they don't have the funds set aside that they can do those improvements.
Down payment plus those improvements would be a killer, right?
Right. They don't have that money saved that they can make the improvements. So the way that the renovation program works is that it actually allows that the client can finance the cost of those improvements into the mortgage. And the nice thing about that is it does not impact the seller. The loan still closes on time with that original sales price, and the improvements are done after closing. So there's one loan, one closing, one mortgage payment. The work can be cosmetic, or it can be items that maybe would come up where the seller is unable to sell the home in that condition. So one other feature is that you may have a seller that the home needs repairs. They could actually refinance their house before they put it on the market, do those repairs to make it sell ready with a renovation loan.
And maximize the profits, what the seller is going to get out of that for sure.
Absolutely. And I think what we're going to find out when we move into more renovation season is that the homes that need renovation aren't the ones that are getting all the offers.
Yeah. There might not be 15 offers to compete against on those houses, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
You can actually turn customers into transactions, and I know customers are our friends for life. I know that. But you can get them to close on a transaction by using a renovation loan. And not finding their dream home, but making it into their dream home for sure. Right. So the customization with these is huge. We do have options for FHA, conventional, and VA for a renovation loan that are very much like their counter products, the traditional products. So FHA, as you can see here, it's a primary home. You can put as little as 3.5% down. There are loan limits that match the county loan limits, and that's when we that's the cost of the home plus the improvements have to hit within these loan limits.
So for example, in Larimer County, you may have a client that finds a $500,000 house, needs to do $20,000 in repairs. They would fit within this guideline as long as they're staying underneath that limit.
And we're just going to hit the highlights right now. So come to our education event and we will go more in depth into these. But you can see the VA loan, VA renovation, you still have an opportunity to do 100% financing, including the cost of the improvements. And again, that's up to, potentially $647,200, or if there's better, higher credit scores, maybe even higher than that, which is amazing. Like, what? And then, our conventional options. Still, we're within the conforming loan limits, $647,200 here in Larimer or Weld County, but you can put as little as 5% down. If you've got a first-time home buyer who hasn't owned a home before or not been on title in the last 3 years, they can put as little as 3% down. So that is huge. And again, these can transfer over to sellers as well. Sellers can take advantage of this before they sell. So it's awesome. Come to our events.
So what you should be doing on February 17th is you should come hang out with us, because as all of our events are, they're always fun, right? We want to educate you, help you grow your business, but we also want to have a really fun environment and help you network and just see people, right? So February 17th at 3 p.m. we'll be sending out invitations, but please mark your calendars, because I really do feel, we all feel like this could help you close more transactions and really maintain customers or obtain customers for life because you've helped them with such a big, important step, and you've given them not a home that they're just like, but a home that they love. So
Absolutely.
Yep. So until next time,
Cheers.
cheers.